First Presbyterian Church Faisalabad was built in 1902 under the local missionary of PCUSA to provide a place for worship and fellowship to the local Christian community who came to settle here in early years. The church is situated at the outside corner of one bazaar directed towards City Railway Station. The street was given an entrance gate for the city called Cassary Gate. Present pastor Reverend Emmerich Joseph joined in 2005, after which the church started to grow quite rapidly. With dedicated services and needful teachings and prayers, the attendance started to grow very fast. The worship services were increased from one Sunday service to 4 weekly services, 2 each every Sunday and Friday. Now, from 150 attendees, the attendance has grown up to 5,000 to 7,000 in worship services held on both Sundays and Fridays. In 2011, the church building was extended to all 4 sites to accommodate the growing members. However, many members had to stand outside the church hall in order to participate in the worship service. Young talented people and volunteers also came forward to join the choir for praise and worship and to perform other necessary management duties during the church service. Their contribution brought life and warmth in the service. Volunteers came forward to take up different roles in management and security duties, which have become very important in current situation of the country. At present, the attendance in the church has grown to several thousand. Most often, no room is left inside and outside of the church for many.
आदत है अपनी आखिरी लम्हे में भी यीशु से बचा लेता है। यीशु उसको फिर मरने नहीं देता। मुबारक का मतलब वो है जिसे बरकत दी गई हो। बरकतों के पीछे मत भागे, शिफा के पीछे मत भागे, यीशु के पीछे भागे, बरकतें और शिफा आपके पीछे भागेंगे। उसके कलाम पर अमल करें, उसकी तलाश करें, उसके पीछे जाएं, आपके उसी रोटी पानी में वो बरकत डाल देगा।
After the first session of teaching and praise, during worship, a time is devoted for special prayers for deliverance of sick and needy people.
जंग जिन्ना दी लड़दा यहोवा, जंग जिन्ना दी लड़दा यहोवा, ओ जंग कदी नहीं हार दे, ओ जंग कदी नहीं हार दे, जिन्ना अगे चलदा यहोवा, जिन्ना अगे चलदा यहोवा, ओ जंग कदी नहीं हार दे, ओ जंग कदी नहीं हार दे।
Opportunity is also given to those who want to share their testimonies and spiritual experiences.
5 साल के बाद ये बेटा दिया, उसकी शुक्रगुजारी।
मेरा नाम दानिश है और मैं फैसलाबाद से आया हूँ। आज से तकरीबन 1 साल पहले मुझे कैंसर हो गया था और डॉक्टरों ने इस बात को साबित किया था कि मुझे वाकई कैंसर है। लेकिन हमारा ईमान हमारे खुदावंद यीशु मसीह पर था। मेरी बीमारी बड़ी नहीं थी, लेकिन मेरा यीशु बड़ा था और मेरा ईमान था कि मेरा खुदावंद ही मुझे शिफा देगा। और आज उन्हीं डॉक्टरों ने कहा है कि आप बिल्कुल फ्री होंगे।
दानिश को डॉक्टर्स ने सर्टिफाई कर दिया कि इसका कैंसर खत्म हो गया। खुदा का शुक्र है।
कितनी देर तो सिगरेट पीते सब?
हो गए सिर्फ 10-15 साल।
10-15 साल से सिगरेट पी रहे थे। खुदा ने उससे भी रहाई दिया।
Continuous growth in the church has created a need for a larger place for 7,000 to 8,000 attendees. With continuous prayers and consultation of church leadership, and management, it has been decided to build a bigger church building in the vacant, spacious premises of Pastor House's compound. A plan was made to build a new church and a new pastor's house, which was approved with the support of church leadership and the whole community. The church contributed wholeheartedly. This helped us to start the building work, which has partially been completed, and the work is in progress. Our present needs are electrical fittings, electrical generator for alternate electricity supply, sound system, and wooden furniture. Our old pastor house is also in dilapidated condition, which needs to be rebuilt. We thank God for the work which has been accomplished so far. Please pray for the remaining jobs and completion of the project.